Next, really cool article from Wired, the new AI marketing playbook. So, two key points here that I thought were great. One is it says that give traditional marketing an AI upgrade. So, what that right there says it all to me is traditional marketing still works, but utilize AI for scalability. To me, and that's what we've been saying all along, that these AI platforms allow us to do our jobs better as marketers. We can be more efficient, we can scale, we can, increase our output of work to achieve better results faster than we did 3 or 4 years ago. Seriously. So I think that was one key point I pulled out of this Wired article. Another was double down on human recommendations. I thought that was fascinating because here it is, an AI marketing playbook, and it talks about human part of it. This is what we've been saying all along, that we believe, like the way we approach AI in marketing is we have the human elements as strategists leveraging our experience, but we utilize AI layered on top of that to produce an amazing result. And so, Catherine, John, if you guys could chime in on that. What do you think?
Yeah, so I loved this article because it just goes to show you that it did a nice job summarizing how AI can be used as a tool to enhance our jobs and to make marketing better.
Yeah.
And it had a very positive tone to it. It didn't have the doom and gloom
No, not
kind
at
of
all.
mindset. It said, hello, these are what you can use AI for, and this is what you should be doing as marketers. And it was nice. It was like a breath of fresh air because it's just so much better if you turn the page and embrace it and learn how to use it and learn how to use it to make your job easier and
Right.
how to get your business shown in it. And
Right.
that's what it's all about.
Yep. It really is. John, anything to add?
Yeah, like figure out where you can use AI, effectively within your job, and then you hopefully get the the freedom to do the more creative, the more fulfilling stuff after.